Hello! Welcome to Manufacturing. This video will give you an introduction to the primary manufacturing that goes on in a lab. We hope you enjoy it. After receiving the shipment, staff reconcile the number of transporters and presence of BDRs and paperwork against what is sent from the collection site. It is important to ensure that paperwork sent is in the correct location. The transporter is then moved to triage, where it will be assessed and reconciled to ensure it is packed correctly and that no units are missing. During this process, the documentation is captured on the blood transporter inspection log. The units are then inspected to remove any units that fail visual inspection, such as QINS and overweight units. Whole blood that makes it through to production are first folded and stuffed into cups. This process ensures that the cannulas will not break during centrifugation. A grommet in the wrong location can also cause a lot of damage to the unit at 4,500 RPM. After centrifugation, units are expressed, a process that separates the plasma from the red cell. Additive solution is then added to the red cell in order to maximize its shelf life. After creating the red cell in NBCS, they are then transported to the ECR, where filtration begins. The red cells pass through a polymer weave filter, which removes the white blood cells, a process we call leukoreduction. Transfusible plasmas are loaded into blast freezers, which are set to -50 degrees Celsius and freeze a unit solid in 1 to 2 hours. After the red cell has filtered, air is expelled, or burped, out of the unit. The red cell is then converted in NBCS from the non-leukoreduced to the leukoreduced unit. After conversion, the unit is cut down and tubing segmented. The unit is filed and entered into Product Racker, which helps staff locate it in subsequent processes, and then stored in the ECR. Triple bag donations, in which the plasma has been frozen within 8 hours of phlebotomy, will eventually be processed into cryoprecipitate, a clotting factor needed by hemophiliacs. Plasmas are thawed and respun in a centrifuge, which causes the cryo to collect at the bottom of the unit. After removing the unit from the centrifuge, the plasma is drained into the empty bag, leaving a small amount of cryoprecipitate behind. The cryoprecipitate units are then visually inspected and labeled. Units with the same ABO group can be combined or pooled into a larger unit, which is easier for the hospitals to transfuse.